Good day and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I've got such an important message to share with everyone, especially South Africans, because we've got amazing news from Microsoft that can impact all of our lives in such an exciting and new way. And I want to say good day to Mr. Sia Madyibi, who's joining me from Microsoft. Sia is the Executive Director of External and Affairs at Microsoft. So thank you very much for joining me, sir.
Thank you, Rianette. Thank you for having me here.
I'm going to dive into talking about the Microsoft Global Skilling Initiative. Who in South Africa can benefit from this? And are there any prerequisites or specific criteria that you need to meet in order to take advantage of this Global Skilling Initiative?
There are no strict or hard and fast prerequisites that are required for this initiative. The initiative is intended to scale across the largest number of our population. So essentially, we are targeting all school leavers. So anybody who's just left school, whether that be at a matric level or whether that be at a post-matric level, this is the kind of initiative that is targeting that individual. Individuals that are already in jobs, individuals that are already occupying jobs, who are looking for reskilling, who are looking for upskilling. This is the kind of initiative that is targeting them as well. So really, the length and breadth of the initiative is quite wide. The intention is to ensure that we expand the pie of digital literacy as much as possible and reach as many people as possible in our country. You would know that the figure that Microsoft is targeting globally is in the millions. And South Africa should be part of that very large scale that we're trying to reach from a Microsoft perspective. So there are no specific prerequisites. School leavers can access this opportunity. People who've just come out of university can access this opportunity. A normal job seeker that is looking for an opportunity where digital skills are required can access this opportunity. So it goes as far and wide as possible.
So it's free, it is accessible, and it's important though that you are on LinkedIn, am I right?
Correct. So the way it is designed is that what Microsoft has done is Microsoft has got three companies, which is LinkedIn, which is Microsoft Learn, and GitHub, and a lot of its content from a training and skills perspective sit across these three companies. And what this initiative has really done is it has put in place a single platform, a single access site that would enable a job seeker, a person looking for training, to be able to use just a single link and be able to access content sitting in these different companies.
With this, what excites me as well is that even if you want to maybe consider a new industry, and when Microsoft launched this, I saw some really heartwarming and inspiring stories of people who during COVID lockdowns have lost their jobs and had to really go into a new, very different work environment. So it's really wonderful to see how that has helped.